Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over the entire process of what it looks like to sign up for SoFi Crypto and then what cryptocurrencies are currently available, what the user interface looks like, what features are currently available. This is something that just launched today, so I thought I'd make a quick video about it. So you can obviously get access to this through the SoFi app. Otherwise, if you signed up on the wait list, then SoFi would have sent you an email. So the email that they just sent me a little while ago says, "Crypto at SoFi is finally here," and you can open up your account through this email. Also, I launched the SoFi application, and I was presented with one of those banner type ads over the screen that let me know that crypto was now available. And since I had signed up for the waitlist, that's probably why they pushed that to me. So you could sign up through that option as well. But I'm going to go through the email and click where it says open an account. An additional thing I'd like to mention is if you didn't sign up for the waitlist, you might not currently have access to sign up for the cryptocurrency features, but to check to see if it's available in your app, what you can do is click on your little profile icon here in the upper left-hand corner. And from this page, you can go down to where it says Our Products and click on that. And if you're able to get access to their crypto offerings, you might be able to find it in this area. I'm guessing that they're going to roll this out over the course of time, but eventually it should show up in this area for everyone. I'm assuming the people that signed up for the waiting list are getting the early access today, but then over the course of time, they're going to continue to roll this out to more people. Going through the link that they had sent me to my email, so it says, let's set up your account, and to open up our crypto account, we're going to click that option down here. So you're going to need your birthday, citizenship, social security number, and contact info during the sign up process. And I'm going to click down here where it says open a crypto account. And it's asking me how I plan to use this account, so it's probably more so for long-term investing or holding of cryptocurrency. And I could also see using this for payments or online purchases, so I'm going to check those boxes and then click next. And then it's asking how much are you expecting to transfer in terms of depositing crypto, withdrawing crypto, and I'm not really sure at this point in time. I guess I'll just put 1 to 10,000, but if you have an idea of what you might be transferring in or out, then you can select that in this area. Once you do that, it's going to make sure that it has all of your appropriate information in terms of your name, date of birth, social security number, as well as your address and income details. So you can take a look at that, and if everything looks good, you can click next. I confirmed my social security number, and then it says finishing up with legal terms, so you can take a look at the legal terms here, and if everything looks good, you can click agree and submit. It'll review your account to make sure everything checks out and looks good, and if it all checks out, it'll take you over to this page where it says your crypto account is ready, so you can transfer crypto to SoFi, and you can buy crypto. So I'm going to click on the option here where it says buy crypto. And it'll list the cryptocurrency coins that are currently available, and you can see the list here by scrolling through them. Not a huge list at this point in time. I'd expect this to expand over the course of time, but they have basically all of the big hitters here with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, USDC, and you can see additional things that are listed below that. So the coin that I'd like to buy, I'll click on Ethereum here. Once you select the cryptocurrency that you would like to purchase, it'll take you over to the next page and it'll show you the current price of that cryptocurrency. You can change the crypto here by clicking this little drop down menu. That'll open up this, and then again, you can select whichever crypto that you would like to purchase, and you can select your funding source. So it's just linking up my SoFi checking account as my funding source. So let's just say I wanted to buy $100 of Ethereum. So I can enter in $100. It'll show me how much ETH that is going to get me, and then I can click review. Then it'll take you over to the review page where you can see how much of the cryptocurrency that you're going to be getting, the funding source, when the purchase is going to go through, and then the fee that is associated with this, and currently that's set at 1%. And if everything looks good, then you can slide this to buy the cryptocurrency that you would like to purchase. And it says my ETH order is complete, so I now have this amount of Ethereum in my SoFi Crypto account, and from here I can either click on the order details or I can close. And that'll take us back to this screen where, again, we can continue to buy more crypto. We can transfer crypto to SoFi with this option as well. So let's see what this looks like when I click on transfer crypto to SoFi. And it looks like all of the features haven't quite rolled out yet in terms of sending and receiving crypto, but this is what it looks like. When the features are available, you'll be able to send to an external wallet, or you'll be able to get an address to send that crypto to your SoFi Crypto account. You can also withdraw your crypto as US dollars, so you can convert your crypto to USD and transfer it out. But now I'm going to exit out of this. Heading over to the homepage of the SoFi app, it'll have all of your SoFi products listed out, and then you'll have the crypto area that should show up. Now, in the app, if it's not showing up for you yet, Try to see if you can update the SoFi app, and then it might show up then. Uninstalling the SoFi app, re-downloading it, and then seeing if it shows up then. Or this might just be something that is just taking them a little bit of time to roll out. But you can always head on over to the website version of SoFi, going to SoFi.com. And if you're not seeing it in the app right away, you should at least be able to see it over there. But from here, I'm going to open up the crypto option so I can see all of the crypto that I have in there. And I can see that $100 contribution that I had made to purchase Ethereum, and I can see the current value of that. It gives you the options to buy more cryptocurrency. You can sell, you can transfer. So clicking on where it says buy. And again, it'll list out all of the different crypto coins that you currently have access to and can purchase. And if you'd like to sell, you can do that. Whatever you currently have in your SoFi Crypto account, you can sell it for US dollars and transfer that over to your SoFi bank account, for instance. And then the transfer option here, and again, like I was saying earlier, this isn't totally rolled out yet, but we're going to get the option to send crypto, receive crypto, get a wallet address to receive that, and then you can also withdraw your crypto in US dollars over to your SoFi bank account. And then from there, if we scroll down, we can check our watch list. Any cryptocurrency that you're currently watching will show up in this area. You can explore all of the different cryptocurrencies down here. So let's just say I wanted to check out this cryptocurrency. I can click on it. It'll open it up. You can buy that cryptocurrency. You can add it to your watch list by clicking on that. And then you can see information scrolling down from there. But if I head back to the previous page, and now I can see this cryptocurrency I had added to my watch list, so it shows up right there. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video. So I just wanted to touch on the current sign up process for crypto on SoFi, and then what it looks like when you go into the crypto area, exactly what the user interface looks like and the options that you have. So I hope this video was helpful in some way. If it was what you were looking for, I appreciate you stopping by and consider subscribing for more content in the future.